If you are a nonprofit professional and leader, I completely get it. It can be overwhelming trying to stay current with all the latest trends and technologies and strategies. Now, I started fundraising and nonprofit marketing back in 1994 when the internet wasn't even really a thing yet. And now we have digital giving, about a bazillion social and professional networking sites, and even AI. So I work super hard to stay up to date with all of the latest changes in the nonprofit sector and best practices so you don't have to. Now, I'm a CFRE and a nonprofit coach on a mission to empower those who empower others. So each week I provide how-to nonprofit tutorials to help empower you. Now, it was my favorite auntie, my Auntie Barb. She hates it when I call her that. Apparently it makes her feel old, but she's the one who got me started on my charitable journey. She was one of the first CFREs in my town, and she mentored me, she inspired me, and she connected me with some great resources. And now my goal here on YouTube and our social media is to pay that forward in her honor. So make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and join me each week as we embark on a journey to empowerment as I share 3 decades of experience, insights, and strategies to help your nonprofit thrive and make a lasting impact. So see you next week.